what we do here is go back.
Alright, hey guys, it is Frosty. We are working on a new little project here today. You see in front of you a brand new folding TV tray. There's two of them. Now we're going to see what we can do with it. So, here we go. Alright, so, cut a handmade stencil, got that all taped into place. Everything's good and secured down. Edges should be real well sealed. There's like maybe one spot that just refuses to drop down real tight, but should be able to compensate with it. But we're gonna drop on the first stage of paint. So here we go. Okay, so a little bit of paint, a straight edge, just white and orange, and like I say, a straight edge laid over that homemade stencil. Now we just gotta let it cure a little bit. Once it tacks up real good, then we're going to go ahead and peel away the tape and the homemade stencil. Then we're going to break out the shellac once it cures. So you guys get to see that here real momentarily. So here we are. Got the masking off. It's all done. Ain't been clear coated and or shellac yet. But I can get the point. I'm going to make another one to match. Although, I mean, I'm not like overly thrilled with the way that orange popped out on there. You know, what can you do? I mean, color against wood. Who knew? Wasn't sure what it would look like. I mean, I knew the white would pop really good, but I don't know. Maybe the next round I do, I'll use a different color, like base black or just another white. I mean, that white really popped out good. But I don't know, I'm going to do a match to it, put them up for sale, see what happens. So, here we are. Thanks for watching. Later.